Welcome everyone to today's Deep Verse. These are deep conversations on AI with real world use cases, applications, expert insights, and thought provoking discussions. If you've been thinking about transitioning your business from traditional methods to AI powered solutions, Deepverse actually has got something exciting for you today. Making the shift from established practices to cutting edge AI technology can actually feel like a huge leap, but it's the one that can actually bring incredible benefits more efficiently, faster in terms of decision making, and ultimately a stronger business. But here's the thing, transitioning to AI isn't as simple as flipping a switch. It requires careful planning, communication, and a step by step approach to ensure success. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how you can navigate the transition from traditional methods to AI solutions with practical tips and insights that you can use to make the shift as smooth as possible. So, whether you are a business owner or a manager or a team leader, just stick around. This is going to be a game changer for you and your business. Before we get into the how, again, let's talk about the why. Why make this switch to AI in the first place? What is in it for you and your business? And what is in it for the employees or the stakeholders? Here are some of the top reasons why businesses actually want to transition from their traditional methods to AI solutions. Number one, efficiency and automation. AI has the ability to automate repetitive tasks that would otherwise take your team hours or even days to complete. This means more efficiency and fewer resources spent on low value activities. Number two, improved decision making. With AI, you can actually get access to data, analytics, and predictive algorithms that can actually help you make or decide faster, more informed decisions, whether it's the customer behavior analysis or supply chain optimization or financial forecasting. AI can process and analyze data more accurately and quickly than human teams. Number three is scalability. As your business grows, AI solutions can scale with you. Instead of adding more people to the workforce or trying to keep up with the increasing demand, AI tools can actually help handle your workload with minimum additional costs. It's just pure scaling. Number four is cost savings over time. AI can help you reduce operational costs by automating tasks, reducing errors, and optimizing the processes. While the upfront cost might be looking a little bit higher, the longer term savings are significant. Understanding these benefits is the first step to fully committing to a AI transition. But how do we actually get there? That's what we're going to be diving into next. Before diving headfirst into AI, it's critical to take a step back and assess your current processes. This will actually give you a clear understanding to which tasks and workflows that can be improved or automated through AI. You can't boil the ocean, so just pick your battles. Here is how to assess your traditional methods effectively. Number one, identify the pain points. What are the processes that are slowing you down or slowing your business down? Where do you see inefficiencies? Maybe it's the manual data entry that's taking up too much time. Or perhaps your customer service team is overwhelmed by repetitive inquiries that are coming from your customers. Write these pain points down and categorize them by department or function. Number two, map out your workflows. Once you've identified these pain points, map out your workflows step by step. Understanding exactly how tasks are being completed right now. Who is responsible? What are they doing? What tools are being used by them? And how much time it takes? What cost it takes? This will actually help you see which parts of the workflow can benefit from automation or AI optimization. Number three, set clear objectives. What do you want to achieve by integrating to AI? Is this your goal to reduce time spent on tasks or cut costs or increasing your output? Have very, very clear objectives because that will guide your AI implementation and ensure that you stay focused on the results that matter most to you. By understanding your current state, you can better plan how AI can improve these processes and where the biggest wins are going to be for you. One of the biggest mistakes that businesses make when transitioning to AI is trying to overhaul everything at once. Never do that, guys. This can lead to confusion, overwhelming feeling, and potentially even failure for most of the organizations. Instead, it's smart to start with small, targeted implementations. Number one, just choose one specific department or process where AI can deliver quick, tangible results. For example, if you want to automate customer support with AI powered chatbots or use AI to streamline your inventory management system, just be very clear about that. Number two, pilot programs. Once you've identified where to start, launch a pilot program. This actually allows you to test the AI solution in a controlled environment before rolling it out more broadly. You can gather data, analyze the results, and make adjustments as needed. Plus, the success is basically in that small area, which can help you build a buy in from the rest of your organization so you can scale it up in other areas. Three, measurable KPIs has to be set for your pilot program. Set specific KPIs that will help you measure the success. Whether it's time saved, cost reduced, or error rates lowered, these KPIs will actually give you hard data to prove the value that AI has brought to the table. This will also ensure that you're tracking the right metrics to guide further implementation. Starting small will help you build the confidence on AI and show your team and your clients and your business that the real world benefits without overwhelming them with too many changes at once. It's really going to be helpful for you. AI is a powerful tool, but let's face it, people are often resistant to change, guys. A big part of successfully transitioning to AI solutions is managing that resistance and making sure that your team is fully on board. Here is how you can ensure a smooth transition when it comes to the workforce that you have in the team. Number one, providing training. AI can seem intimidating, especially for employees who are used to traditional methods of operating. Invest in training programs to help your team understand how AI can work and what it can do to them and in their current jobs, and how they can actually leverage it in their day to day work. This can help ease the fears and build excitement about this new technology rather than the other way around. Number two, communicate clearly. Make sure that you're communicating openly about why the transition is happening and how it will benefit the team. Let them know about AI is not going to be replacing their jobs, but enhancing their ability to focus on higher value tasks. When the employees feel like they are part of the process, they will be more likely to embrace the change. Appoint AI champions. Identify key employees who are enthusiastic about AI and make them champions for this change. They can actually help lead the transition, offer peer support to everybody else in the team, and act as a go between for your team and the implementation process. Having internal advocates can make the transition feel kind of less top management or top down and more collaborative, which is more bottom up. Then we have to address the concerns and understand that some people will have concerns about job security or their ability to adapt. Address these concerns openly and honestly. Let your team know that AI is here to complement their work, not replace them. Offer them reassurance and be patient with those who might need more time to adjust. Once you've successfully implemented AI in one area and seen the benefits, then it's time to think about scaling the AI across the organization. But scaling should still be a measured process. It's important not to rush and do it more effectively, slowly, and efficiently. Here is how you can do it. Number one, expand gradually. After your initial pilot is done, identify other departments or processes that can benefit from AI. Use the same approach. Start with specific areas, implement a pilot program, and then you can measure the results. Gradually and slowly, you can expand the AI adoption as you gather more data and see the impact of AI on the business. Number two, optimize and adapt. As you roll out AI in the new areas, be prepared to optimize and adapt your approach to the next ones. Every department might have different needs, and the AI tools should be flexible enough to address those variations. Regularly review your KPIs and adjust the AI systems to ensure that they're delivering the best results. Number three, very important, create a feedback loop. Keep the communications channels open between the teams and the leadership. Create a feedback loop where employees can actually share their experiences, the challenges that they're facing during the adoption, and the successes with AI. This can actually help you refine your implementation strategy and ensure that you have a long term success. Transitioning from traditional methods to AI powered solutions can seem daunting. But with the right approach, it can actually transform your business. So, by assessing your current processes, starting small, investing in training, and scaling gradually, you can navigate the transition successfully and reap the incredible benefits that AI has to offer. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to Deepverse for more insights on AI, business strategy, and innovation. Until next time, take care and keep innovating. Bye bye.